Barbie Fortes update and IG story ni Barbie. Yung kasama niya ngayon si Direk Mark Reyes. And about upcoming movie ni Barbie. You know, sabi ni Direk Mark, time has brought us back together again since the half-sister. Looking forward to the moments when we get together again. See you soon, Barbie Dawn. Ay makita niyo sa caption yung movie ni Barbie. Time and moments. You know, moments of love on borrowed time. Sino kaya ang magiging leading man ni Barbie? Abangan. Excited na mga fans ni Barbie. Saka ito pa yung abangan kay Barbie. For Blackwater event. Team Silan sa SM North EDSA. Next A2 level 4. Sa January 25. Kasama niya si Adi. You know. Ito pa yung post ni Miss Tony. Yung behind the scene. Endorsement shoot ni Barbie for Silka. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my update. This is Victor Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.